Hi, I am Pratik Sinha. My daughter studied out of cognitive tutorials under the guidance of Mr. Ranjit Kapoor, and it was an awesome experience. I just have no words to congratulate and to give my good wishes to Mr. Ranjit Kapoor. The way he groomed my daughter, the way he looked after, the way he cared, and the way he brought her up from the level of her studies was outstanding. It is unbelievable experience that I had. And I think he was the one who really brought the confidence of the girl to a level where I never dreamt of. And it was a hardcore finding for me because I had to run around for places to look around for a very good, tutorial. And I landed up here after a lot of R&D across Noida. And I think it was a very, very fruitful exposure for my daughter, for me, and a fruitful exercise for me to get about cognitive tutorials and Mr. Ranjit Kapoor. And I wish him all the success for his future endeavors. Thank you.